Hello friends, welcome to GK EduZone. When was the Assam Rural Panchayat Act passed? In 1948. Assam Rural Panchayat Act 1948 was replaced by which act? Assam Panchayat Act 1959. How many times the Assam Panchayat Act amended? 4 times. Assam Panchayat Act 1994 was incorporated the provisions of which amendment of the Indian Constitution? The 73rd Amendment Act 1992. When the Assam Panchayat Act 1994 received the assent of the governor? On 22 April 1994. When Assam Panchayat Act 1994 came into force? On 5th May 1994. Which act was replaced by the Assam Panchayat Act 1994? Assam Panchayat Act 1986. When was the first election of Panchayat were held in Assam? In October 1996. How many tiers are there in the Assam Panchayat system? 3 tiers. Which is the state flower of Assam? Kopo Phul. When UNESCO declared Kaziranga as a World Heritage Site? In 1985. Which is the largest coal mine of Assam? Makum. Which refinery was established due to Assam Accord? Numaligarh Refinery Limited. Which is the state tree of Assam? Holong. Borpeta Satra was established by whom? Madhav Dev. Dr. Bhupen Hazarika Setu is over which river? Lohit River. Assam Women's University is located in which district? In Jorhat district. Who conferred the title Rasaraj to Lakshminath Bejbarua? Assam Sahitya Sabha 1931. Which is the smallest national park of Assam? Orang. Which is the largest national park of Assam? Kaziranga National Park. Who was known as Bihogi Kavi? Raghunath Chaudhary. Who was the writer of Namgosha? Madhav Deb. Panidihing Bird Sanctuary is located in which district of Assam? Shivsagar. Which community celebrates Boshudima festival? Dimasa community. Dr. Bhupen Hazarika Setu is also known by Dolasodiya Bridge. Who is known as Doni Kavi? Binanda Chandra Barua. Who was the first Assamese to become the Justice of Supreme Court of India? Parvati Kumar Goswami. Who was the first president of Assam Sahitya Sabha? Padmanath Gohai Barua. What was the first Assamese daily newspaper? Doinik Batari. Assam's only fishery college, College of Fisheries Science, is located in Raha. Who was the first editor of the Assam magazine Jonaki? Chandrakumar Agarwala. Who was the first editor of the Assam magazine Arunodoy? Dr. Nathan Brown. Who is also known as Gitikobi or the lyrical poet of Assam? Parvati Prasad Barua. Penkarkli is a traditional festival celebrated by which tribe? Karbi. Baiho festival is celebrated by which tribe? Ravas. Bura Chapori Wildlife Sanctuary is situated in which district of Assam? Shonitpur. The Hayagriv Madhav Temple of Ajo is located in which hill? In Monikut Hill. When Assam got its first railway line? In 1881. Which place is called as the Navadvip of Assam? Nalbari. Baksa district was created from the parts of Borpeta, Nalbari and Kamrup districts. When was the Dibru-Sakhya National Park designated as Biosphere Reserve? In 1997. Who was the first tea planter in Assam? Moniram Dewan. The Sati Jaymati Divas is observed on March 27. Who is also known as the Lion Man of Assam? Radha Govinda Barua. The first session of the Assam Legislative Assembly was held in 7th April 1937. The Abhiruchi Sports Day is celebrated on 3rd September. Rongkar is a spring festival observed by the Karbi people of Assam. Kherai Puja is performed by Boros. Bogurumba is a folk dance performed by Boros. Wangla is the main festival of Garos. अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा है तो लाइक और शेयर कीजिए और चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। थैंक यू।